Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine and Devilish States, Chapter 16, Shloka 22. A man who is liberated from these three grades to darkness, O Kaunte, practices what is good for him and thus goes to the supreme goal.
Chapter 16, Shloka 22. एतैर्विमुक्तकौन्तेय तमोद्वारैस्त्रिभिर्नरः आचरत् आत्मनः श्रेयः ततो याति पराङ्गतिम्.
Chapter 16, Shloka 22. Here follows the praise of the renunciation of ego, anger, and greed. This shloka explains to the seeker what is to be avoided by him and indicates how he will have a positive development and inner growth. Those who are avoiding all the three gateways to hell will steadily progress on the straight path to their life's goal. To wander into fields of desire, anger, and greed is to dissipate our energies. Then it becomes difficult to face the challenges that arise from within himself. The mind and intellect have to be calm and sharp to resist the temptations of the sense objects and strive hard and achieve self-expression to practice what is good. Practicing what is good is Shreyas. It not only brings happiness to the practitioner but also contributes much to the well-being of the people around him. Positive growth can be affected as a result of a negative act of denial. The negative act of denial stops the dissipation of our energies through desire, greed, and anger and end all our agitations caused by these three. Practicing what is good for him is the positive way of life which Gita preaches. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.